What's going on, guys? Statikleo here today, and I'm here with Jose Trucking.
What's going on, guys?
Today he's gonna be buying some new wheels, and we're gonna be putting these on my truck for now, because I sold my wheels. So right now we're on some spares. It's on some 16s, but I can't fit 16s in the front because of my brakes. So I got some 24s on there right now, but I'll put these on it for now. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now we're heading to the tire shop so we can change these wheels. So we just put up to the tire shop. We're gonna be switching the wheels out. Alright guys, so we just threw Jose's wheels on my truck, and we're just waiting on his homeboy to pull up with the wheels he's gonna buy. So yeah, should be here in a bit. Alright guys, so I got the wheels on. These are just some temporary wheels while I get some new ones. I think I'm gonna go for some chrome ones. So this is how it looks right now. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.